Hey guys, it's Ashley from Untitled Chapter Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Roshan box. If you have been a subscriber to my channel for a long time, we have unboxed this together before. Long time ago. I have another one. I'm so excited. So this box, I have everything written down here. Includes Russian, Soviet, Slavic, and Eastern European lifestyle items and snacks. And you can do this monthly, quarterly. You can prepay for subscriptions. If you do month to month, it is $25.95. If you pay, it can go all the way down to $22.95 a month. I do have a cold, and I need some water, so I'm going to time it. Okay, took a water break. Hopefully I can get through this video. This will not be a tasting review. If you are interested in seeing everything kind of up close and knowing what it's like, I will link down below to my full review on my blog. I will also link to the Roshan box down below as well. So what you can expect in these boxes is 1 or 2 large items and 5 to 10 small items and 1 genuine cultural item, which is very exciting. I think that's really cool. I'm excited to see what's in here. I don't know. We're going to find out completely together. It does come in like an outer plastic bag, and then you open this. It's a beautiful box though, right? Can we just all agree? Okay. Whew. I can't read this, and I'm not going to try to butcher it, but it says, "Hello, friends. Thank you for subscribing to the Roshan box. We hope you enjoy your journey through Russian and Eastern European snacks and souvenirs." You can find out more on their website. They do give you a link that you can go and look at each of the items. And then they do have a Facebook group. And then there is a little, like a disclaimer about if you're allergic to nuts, there are items in here. You'll have to be careful about that. So that's something to think about too. All right, let's just look in. All right, first up we have this. This is, oh, it's tea. Splashes of champagne tea blend. This is a big bag of tea. Now this looks like it would be cold tea, but I'm gonna make it hot. In here we have Chinese green tea, Ceylon black tea, dried strawberry pieces, and strawberry flavor. This is a product of Ukraine, because it's not just Russia, it's Ukraine. I believe a lot of different Eastern European Slavic items as well. So there's that. That's really cool. Then we have these looks like little shortbread cookies. Tvorozhok flavor, no, chocolate biscuit cookies, and you can kind of see inside. So those will be to eat with your tea, right? That's super cute. All right, then we have, oh yes, that water did help, by the way. I feel much better now. I made the Sips By review right before this, unboxing, I should say, not review. And I coughed all through it. My eyes were watering. It was very embarrassing. I may make it again, I don't know. Or maybe I'll just roll with it. All right. This is a sweet with dried apricots in white fat-based glazing. There are 3 of them. Those look delicious. I will be eating all of those myself. All right. Oh, look. This is our lifestyle item. It is a little, it looks like a teapot. It's a magnet. I'm so excited. Isn't that cool? All right. And it was all wrapped up real nice in there. All right. So then we have the white chocolate bar, Napmak. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, but this is a white chocolate bar. The chocolate, I don't know if you guys are aware of this. If you've tried any box from another country, you know that chocolate in every country is different. Every country has different rules and restrictions on creating chocolate. And chocolate from other countries besides the United States, I don't know why, it tastes better. So I'm always excited when I receive chocolate to try it and see if I like it more. I usually do. So I'm excited for that. Okay, as you can see, there's just tons of little pieces of candy. We'll get to that. Oopsie daisy. So then we have, though, this is Roshan milk chocolate. It's filled with something, looks like nougat maybe. It's filled with, there's 2 of these bars, and they have like the little squares that you break off. They look very decadent. So there's 2 of those. This box is great if you you live in America, like you were born and you were familiar with the snacks of these areas, and you kind of want like a taste of home or something, or you're just experimental and love trying stuff like me, awesome as well. All right, then we have, oh, what's this? This is Dinner Express. This is a microwave dinner. It looks like bulgur, maybe some sort of a grain in there. Buckwheat, champignons, carrots, sunflower oil, onion, salt, garlic, parsley, ground black pepper, allspice. Uvelka Dinner Express, ready-made buckwheat with mushrooms. So that's what this is. It's kind of like Uncle Ben's ready rice. You put it in the microwave and you steam it in the bag. So there's that. That's kind of a cool item, right? Oh my gosh, that's neat. All right, I'm gonna try to break this up real quick by different types. So these are buttermilk from Roshan, which is this brand. And there are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. Probably 10 total. Just guessing. 9, 10. Yeah, there's 10 of those. Probably 10 of each, I'm guessing. Okay, then we have these Joizzy from Roshan chewy candy in apple. There's an apple on it. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. There's also a Joizzy, same thing, but this is the cherry flavor. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And Joizzy in this is strawberry, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. There's a Joizzy, and I'm guessing this is orange. Just one of those babies. Then there are these guys. It's also from Roshan, but there's like a bee on it. I don't know what flavor this is. It says like crazy, something like that. Crazy bee. Okay, and it feels kind of like a jelly. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of those. And then our final item are these purple candies. These look like those strawberry candies here. I don't know, it doesn't say what it is. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of those as well. So for your $25.95, you get a whole bunch. I mean, what, 50 pieces of hard candy? So I'm going to put those in there. We get our microwave dinner. We get our bag of tea. We get our cookies or crackers or whatever you want to call them. Our 2 bars of chocolate. Our huge bar of white chocolate. Our fridge magnet. These 3 delicious looking items as well, all for $25.95, and it's imported from another country, which is a super good deal. I love all these. I can't wait to try them, I should say. I don't know if I love them yet, but I love opening them up and looking at them and wondering. Anyway, if you're interested in checking out my full review, like I said, I will link to that below. I will also link to my Russia box, or the Russia box, so you can check them out as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.